on Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. I'm glad you jumped in today because we have a little, I have a friend that every time I see her, she'll always say, when are you going to do Swedish meatballs? So I thought, well, this would be a good day to do Swedish meatballs. And I've already got my meatballs from the oven. I've got them over here, keeping them hot. It's just the little round meatballs that we're all used to. I think it's about a little over a pound I've got. So we'll go with that one. So 2 tablespoons of butter. We always have to have our butter. I hope you've had a good weekend. This is a little bit past the weekend, but I'm just now getting caught up for the weekend. We had a big weekend, had 18 people here for lunch. It's a family thing and we love it. We're one of those families that get along so good together and love each other. And so it was a lot of fun having my family here. And my husband's family. Okay, now this is a cup of beef broth. And I'm putting about 1/4 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning in it. I think I'm going to put a half since it's dried. I'll be so glad when the gardens come in, we have a little bit of my parsley and things come in. A bit of chives. Let's let them moist up a little bit. That's it'll be about a half a teaspoonful for both of them. Now, next is now I'm using flour. You could use cornstarch if you want to, or any kind of thing that you think, well, cornstarch, yeah, it's about the only thing. I'll take it off for a minute. Want to get any lumps. The only lumps we want are from the meatballs. We just want the meatballs to be a lump. Now I'm using half and half cream. It is a little creamier if you use whole cream or whole milk or something like that. I just keep half and half on hand so I don't have to carry a lot of different things in my refrigerator. So half and half is usually what you're going to find at my house. Blend it in pretty good. Rest in. I'm a cornstarch person. I actually do like cornstarch better, but something like this, gravy, it's usually better to use the flour. Milk at a time. You get the gravy going, and you got your meatballs out of the oven. I left my meatballs about 20 minutes in a pan, single layer, and then I just took them out. I'm not putting any salt in this right now because of the broth. You know, sometimes broth is sort of salty. no lumps. Because basically it's just like meatballs and with a cream sauce. And they do drop and roll. Just let them cook in the sauce a little bit. Gotta wait until they get very coated. Sauce is about right. And my kids like gravy with this. Gravy and green beans or peas, so it's one of those things that you could just about have anything with. Put them in a little dish. Now, I'll tell you what you can do. If you're not going to eat right now, you could put, you're completely done. You're ready to eat. But if you're not, you can put them in this and put them in a little aluminum foil over it. Just put it in the oven to warm. Because the longer they sit, the better off they're going to be. Let's put us a few little green onions on top of them. And there's a Swedish meatballs. Now, wasn't that a hard thing to make? But see, just a nice little bowl of pan of meatballs. Well, that was a short one and an easy one. Hope you fix it tonight. It's that easy. If you have any trouble, always text me. I'll try to get back to you quickly. I usually do. Anyway, it's been a wonderful day, and I've enjoyed. It's been just an extended summertime or springtime. Anyway, it's been a good day. Remember the joy. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.